Welcome back. Now, part 3 of Good Morning Manchester is where we hear from some of the hottest unsigned talent from the local music scene. This week, it's the imaginatively titled This Is My Lawnmower. Their MySpace claim they sound like an American pit bull terrier slingshotted into the farthest reaches of our space-time continuum and what can only be described as ultra-visual speeds. Don't know what that means, really, but you can make up your own minds in just a minute. First, though, let's meet them.
We are scientists.
Muse.
Definitely.
Radiohead. MC Devil. Shady Thighs, naturally.
Who have we mentioned?
Interpol.
Block Party.
Arcade Fire.
Just a heck of a lot of these kind of bands.
Well, I was on Microsoft Paint and I drew a picture of a little stick man pushing a lawnmower, and I drew a speech bubble coming out of his mouth saying, "This is my lawnmower." That's pretty much how it came about.
Well, me and Tom started songwriting. We had the idea of forming a band, but we didn't really know any others, so we started recording our own songs and putting them on MySpace, and then roped his brother in, roped this guy in.
MySpace address.
MySpace address, yeah. MySpace.com/This Is My Lawnmower.
Good old them plugs.
And then we recruited this. I was originally playing bass when we first started gigging as well as singing, and then in January we got this guy on bass, and it's improved us quite a lot, I think.
I'd say so.
Cool.
We played a gig at the Witchwood in Ashton with Iron Clue, Manchester legends, and Peter and the Wolf. We recently signed to Guy Garvey's label of Elbow, so it was a pretty awesome gig really. It's just great to support bands like that at the stage, and good crowd, good atmosphere.
Really packed out on it.
Yeah,
I think it was
really
good.
Never seen it that busy.
Ever.
Our next gig's tonight at Club Academy in Manchester, Saturday the 5th of May.
Yes, supporting a band called Rima.
Yeah. It's £5 tickets, £6 on the door.
So if any of you defeated, dejected City fans fancy coming watching us, then come and drown your sorrows in Club Academy. It should be a good night.
It was sick as well.
Fresh reading.
Sick as toast, I think it's a term.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah, definitely. Chelsea have screwed it up now, haven't they? So Premiership's ours after a long wait. Paul Scholes, because I've never seen an attacking midfielder like him, and I've nearly hit him with a golf ball, and he had to dive out of the way, which was a memorable occasion when I was about 12.
Right, let's now hear from This Is My Lawnmower.
Face like